Pepe coin is one of the most popular cryptocurrencies on the internet right now to talk about when it comes to meme coins. It is the frog versus the dog. This is what everybody was talking about when this coin first came out in 2023. In the middle of the bear market, absolutely exploded. And when it got listed and futures trading was enabled for this coin on Coinbase, and let me be very clear, this coin wasn't listed on spot on the Coinbase app yet, but it was made available for perpetuals trading on Coinbase a while ago. It got a massive blast off. So I want to explore a couple things in this video. One, the short to midterm key thresholds of price for Pepe coin so that you guys are aware of it in case you want to trade this thing. And two, what I also want to talk about is where we're at in the crypto market and what I expect comes next and what Pepe coin can do if there is in fact a true Coinbase exchange listing. And I'm talking about being able to build a portfolio in the Coinbase app on your iPhone, on your smartphone, whatever it might be, and everybody to get access to buy this token from the Coinbase exchange without having to do leverage. And I do like leverage. I think that's a useful tool. You can trade it. We'll talk a little bit about that later on, but I do think that it's a fun coin to trade. I think it's a decent hold as well, as I think it's one of those easy 10Xs that we've talked about. So welcome back, guys. Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Crypto Kip. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel. Stick around to the end. I got to get through some of these key targets for you. A couple things I really need to share with you guys about Pepe that I'm seeing on the charts right now. So let's just hop right into this. First off, good news for Pepe coin holders as Bitcoin's showing a little bit of uncertainty and the fear and greed index is low, presenting buying opportunities as I discussed in my video earlier today about Bitcoin. You want to be accumulating when the markets are low. And right now, Bitcoin sitting at a price of 62,600. It's moving up a little bit today, but it's still much lower than when it was just a couple days ago. It was at $66,000 to end the month of September. We got a little dip at the beginning of October, which we've seen historically, by the way, but I think it's fake. I think we're probably going to see more so upside than downside in general for crypto. Historically, October is a very bullish month. But now, good news for all Pepe coin holders over the last 24 hours. Pepe is one of the top 4 coins leading the charge today. Back to the 4 zeros, 1 cent level as of today, up 7.89%. Still at a discount, though, from where we were 7 days ago. It's down still 9.51% over the last 7 days. Again, because the fear and good index is showing us an indicator to say everything's on a discount. Now, Pepe coin is up today. So where can we kind of go from here? Well, probably much, much higher. Just look at the overall chart and you will see that at one point, the market cap of Pepe, it's crazy to think, got up to $7 billion. Right now, it's sitting at about $4.28 billion in market cap. You can see that there are some key zones where we rejected off, bounced off a couple times, and that is right around here. So let me jump over to an actual good chart for Pepe coin, and let me tell you a couple things. Now, if Bitcoin slips, you can expect Pepe to fall lower. Again, my worst case scenario, as I've laid out many, many times lately, has been potentially coming down to this 51, 52K region for Bitcoin. As I talked about in my earlier video, and as I've been showing you guys, that's about 18 to 17% downside. So Pepe, what's its worst case scenario? I think that would be probably down to this red line, which you've seen Pepe bounce off of several times before. 1, 2, break down below, break back above, bounce off it again, bounce off it here, bounce off it here. This is definitely a key level for Pepe that if we were to dip down to there, I would expect us to hold. However, I lean bullish. As you've heard in the beginning of this video, I expect Bitcoin to continue to go up. So what can we see for upside? Well, we can look at potentially this move, about a 17%, 18% move to another level where we've broken through and touched down to several times. Look at all the daily candles that have closed, right at the top of this level, floating around this level for a variety of days, touching it, breaking back down, coming back up. So an easy 18% move to the upside for here from Pepe could be happening in the next week, even as I expect bullish moves in the month of October. Do we blast right through that level? Do we keep going higher? Well, as you know, I've talked about this. I believe Pepe can easily 10x from here. Yes, that would bring us to Shiba Inu's previous all-time highs, which I think is achievable for Pepe for a variety of reasons. To think that this meme coin's already so big and it's still not listed on Coinbase is crazy to me. And again, I want to remind you guys, There is an effect that happens when there is news of Coinbase listings. It didn't even officially get listed on Coinbase, but PEPE coin spiked back in April because Coinbase International planned to list perpetual futures, and they did. They opened it back on April 18th. They actually listed perpetual futures, but they still do not have the PEPE coin available on their main actual app. So think about the fact that this thing pumped back in April when we still weren't even in the parabolic leg of the bull market. Imagine what happens when PEPE actually gets listed. So again, I think there is a tremendous amount of upside for the PEPE coin. Can we blast right through this? We could. It's possible. However, I do want you to be cautiously optimistic. And let's say you're in a trade here. And if you want to trade the PEPE coin, a great platform that I like a lot is Blowfin. No KYC is required to sign up. Right now, it looks like it just did bounce off this moving average. It's probably going to go back up to, like I said, I think we're going to see this nice little pump to the upside, maybe a 18% move to the upside even from here. Could we keep going? Maybe. But if you want to trade that move a little bit and take profit as we do get, a 10, 15% move, you can make a good amount of money, guys. You got to be careful. You got to do your own research. You got to pick your own trades. But I've been eyeballing this one for a while, and I do like the idea of trading PEPE coin. If you want to sign up for Blowfin and deposit some money, you get some free money when you sign up. Check it out. The link's down below. But I'm very bullish on PEPE. So let's say we don't hit resistance here, okay? Now, if we do hit resistance here, you should know this is a key level. Take some profit if you're in a trade on this. I think, and by the way, no financial advice here, guys. I'm not telling you how to make the trades. I'm just telling you what I'm seeing if I was making a trade on this, the way that I'm kind of looking at this. There's pretty obvious levels along the way. But let's just say we break through this level. Where can we head next? Well, very clearly, we had a little bit of resistance up kind of at the tops of these candles as well. We also obviously then have the previous all-time high. Well, Crypto Kip, can we break through this previous all-time high that is currently, at the current time of this recording, 73% away from that level? Yes, we can certainly go there. In fact, I think that we will go there when a couple key things happen. One, Bitcoin, as I'm sure you guys are aware, needs to go to a new all-time high. We need Bitcoin to break back above $70,000, move to $74K, and start breaking into the $80,000, $90,000 range, which experts believe is coming. CNBC is still reporting that Bitcoin can go to $100,000 this year. If that's going to happen or not, I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. But I definitely see more upside than downside for Bitcoin, considering we're in the post-halving time. We're in a presidential election year. And Bitcoin's hit a new high, but the total market cap has not yet. When this total market cap breaks out to new highs, and historically speaking, it should, it will, if history is any indication of what comes next, that is going to be the moment where PEPE also goes into price discovery mode. At that moment, you might see Coinbase list the coin, surging this coin even higher in price. Meme coins are very risky, guys. There is no rhyme or reason sometimes behind why a meme coin gets popular. But once it does, they tend to go crazy. And if the markets of crypto get frothy again, and by frothy, I mean Bitcoin goes into the full-fledged bull market, as we've seen so many times before. If you zoom out and you just look at what's happened with Bitcoin in the past, these bull markets, guys, are insane. These moves, this start of this move and a continuation to wherever we end up going in the end of this bull market, when Bitcoin pumps, these little coins that have steam behind them, they go crazy and people start foaming at the mouth to buy the popular coins. I talked about Brettcoin earlier. I'm talking about PEPE in this video. I like Cronos. I like Stacks. I like Welsh on Stacks. I like a lot of different coins out there, guys. There's so many great plays, but PEPE is probably one of those coins that is the most likely, in my opinion, to be the next Shiba Inu, the next Dogecoin, in terms of achieving some of the high market cap levels that these coins have achieved. You see so many copycat meme coins off PEPE. You see all the other Matt Fury is the artist for PEPE. I was talking to my Brett video earlier that Brett's popular because PEPE became popular because an artist, Matt Fury, came out with this cartoon with this PEPE the Frog, this Brett thing, and there's this Land Wolf, I think, is another one. Brett's only popular because PEPE was popular. Think about the meaning behind that. PEPE is the kind of the king meme right now, and I do think that the frog will compete versus the dog in this bull market. Can PEPE coin actually flip Shiba Inu? I don't know, but I do believe that it can achieve the previous highs that Shiba Inu has achieved. Can it flip Dogecoin's previous highs? We'll have to see. I don't think that it can do it without a Coinbase listing, and I do think that Coinbase will eventually list PEPE the Frog. In the past, they've said maybe it's controversial. I think they're going to shy away from that, and I think at some point when it's so big and so popular, they're just going to list it, and inevitably, I think it's going to cause some kind of pump for this coin. Again, if you want to trade it, go ahead and check out our link for Blowfin in the links in the description down below. Pinned it there for you in the comment section as well. That's all I have for you guys in this one. Key levels to look out for: 4011 might be a good take profit zone. It's almost 4012. And then also, worst case scenario, and this only happens if Bitcoin slips down to 5152K in my mind, is the 5063 level. I don't think we go there. I'm more bullish than bearish right now. What are you guys? Let me know in the comments down below. That is all I have for you in this one. I'm Crypto Kip, waiting on a crypto bull market. Bitcoin has been trading sideways for so long, for 230 days or so. We're waiting on the highs. Get ready, guys. That's all I have for you in this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel. DCA HODL. Do your own research, please, my friends. Nothing I say is financial advice ever. You got to know that by now. I do have 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. I'll see you in the next one, y'all. Peace.